Today I'm going to be unboxing the Govee curtain lights. Our plan is to string 3 of these together for the holiday season and have them outside our front patio so we can make interesting scenes, and we'll see how long we keep them up. The plan is to put them on a track, to put them under our gutter. We'll see what that looks like. So, in the box is the control box, power adapter, user manual, and light string. Pretty simple. This open. Alright, so a couple little informational things in here. The Dream View I've heard about is pretty cool, where you can sync everything together, connect the audio, stuff like that. So we'll see how that all works. First one looks like the accessory box. So this does have 3 ways that you can mount up. None of them are going to be real great for our intended usage. So you've got these that you can nail into the wall, or whatever surface I guess you want to. And then these that you put the hook in, maybe. And then close it. Trying to run away from me. I must not be doing something right. I think I have the wrong pair, but you get the gist. You close it up, and then you've got a hook. These 3Ms are for the back of it, so that you can mount it onto the wall. Here's the one that you need. So you close this end, and then you use the screws and screwdrivers. Look, that's handy. Then you use these screws to screw that in, and then you have a little hook. And the light string goes in through here. So those are the way you can connect it, or the ways you can hang them that come out of the box. Here's going to be the power supply. Pretty simple. It's got the connection to make sure that it's waterproof, I believe. Rain tight. But yeah, those are the connections that are on the other products to make sure that they're nice and sealed. Here are our lights. So the power is attached to the lights versus the actual power plug. User manual if you're interested in knowing things how things actually work. So this is how you connect these. You put the wire through and then you put the other plate on top, screw it together, and then you've got a nice little hook. So you've got the power, this is the microphone on it. And this will connect to here. It's got a little thing on it to make sure that you put it on the right way. There you go, you got the power. Nice long lines. Keep that connected for now and just plug it in so we can see how it all looks. And we have lights. So these are nice, and you know, you don't have to worry about lights breaking or it being too fragile. It actually makes me think my sister was a jellyfish for Halloween. These would have been perfect to have as the tentacles. So that's the unboxing. Like I said, we're going to mount it to a channel strip and connect that to the eave of the house, and hopefully that'll look great. So we'll come back to that when we've got that all set up.